In one of my recent videos, how to schedule YouTube and all your social media posts, I talked about Tweetdeck. And I've discovered more utility within Tweetdeck that might make your life more sane. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is Tweetdeck, and I talked about that in my YouTube video about how to schedule your YouTube and all your social media posts. So here is the area where you can schedule tweets. Make sure to watch that other video to figure out how to get into Tweetdeck. But one of the cool things that I've discovered is you can filter here. So this is my feed. I'm still getting all the tweets, but I've excluded retweets. I don't know, sometimes if you scroll and you see so many retweets, you don't really get a clear picture of who's creating new, fresh content. And I really like to see what people are posting, not just retweeting. So this can really bring some sanity into your feed. Of course, you're still going to spend time on Twitter, but this is a good way to catch up with the people that you follow and see exactly what they're creating and posting. So that's one of the cool things. Another cool aspect of Tweetdeck I'm going to show you over here. Well, obviously there's the trending section, so you can have a trending section, which is kind of cool. But you can also add a specific column to follow a specific user. So if there's particular users you're interested in following, you can just add a separate column for them. And again, you can filter by tweet content, including retweets or excluding them as well. So let's check out in Tweetdeck how to add that user column. So here we can add a column, a user, and so from here you can type in the username or full name. There we go, the YouTube forum. Let's see how that works. And then we can just go ahead and add that column. I guess we're going to have to explore some of this other options here. So I just thought I'd share that with you about how to use Tweetdeck to maybe bring some sanity and some focus into your Twitter activity. So check it out. All right, thank you very much. Won't you please subscribe to Shitoku Tech? Then maybe little Bobby won't have to walk the streets. Thank you very much.